Good evening everyone and welcome to Pinnock Smart Home Installation. If you are new to this channel, please to like and subscribe. And please to follow me on all my social media platforms. So this evening guys, I have something very important to show you. I am going to show you how to install your hard drive in your Anki DVR system. This is your camera system. Now this is the hard drive, as you can see. Right over here are the screws to actually hold the hard drive inside the DVR or NVR. So let us take a closer look at the hard drive itself. So ensure that you hold the exterior side of the hard drive. Do not touch the circuit board because you can damage it. Alright, so this is the hard drive. Watch me carefully holding the exterior part of the hard drive. Now this is a Western Digital brand and it's a 1 terabyte hard drive, as you can see right here, and it's a WD purple drive, and this drive is actually built for a surveillance system. So this is a surveillance hard drive. Alright, so this is good for security system. Alright, that's it. So ensure that I place the hard drive on the back on an insulation thing or pad. Alright, this is a foam pad. Alright, so we need some tools to actually install this hard drive. So we're going to, this will show you how to install or to change your hard drive, no matter what. Alright, no matter what the situation. So this is a rubber gloves. So these are the tools that we're going to use. This is a rubber glove. And we need a Phillips head screwdriver. So this is a Phillips head or star point. Alright, so let us get into the installation process. Okay guys, as you can see, I have on my rubber gloves. So I'm going to move the hard drive out of the way so we can see things a little bit clearly. Now this is a DVR, this is not an NVR, this is a DVR. So on the DVR we have 4 screws. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we're going to remove the screw and have to speed up the process. So once we have finished taking out the screw, we're going to slide the cover to the back. Gently slide the cover off to the back. Alright, and then put it one side. Now this is inside the DVR. Let me see if I can get a better lighting on that. Alright, I hope you guys can see this. So as we can see, we see the circuit board. Now this blue wire, it's a single wire. This connection is the data connection. So this is where the data goes. Let me get that again. So this is the blue wire. The blue connection is the data wire. This one is the power wire, the yellow and red. And the 2 blacks, those are the power connection to the hard drive. So I want to, so that is blue for data. Look at it, it's actually small, and the power connection is actually larger. So so you cannot make that mistake. So those 4 holes at the back of the system is where you're going to put the screw to actually mount the hard drive inside the DVR. So we're going to take the hard drive. You still have to hold it carefully. Now look closely. Let me get some focus on that. Focus. Give me a second. Alright. So that small part connection is and this large part is the power. This is the data. So you're going to put the small connection there and the large connection, which is the power, right there. You cannot mix it up. Alright. So we're going to connect the connection first. Bear in mind that each connection have a groove. So you have to look at the groove. As you can see, I have a little difficulty there, and then I look and I saw the groove and I plug in the connection. So we're plugging in the power connection for last. So we're gonna flip the DVR upside down, and then we're going to center those holes at the bottom of the hard drive of the DVR. See those 4 holes? We're gonna line it up properly. And after we line it up, we're going to put in our screws, and I'm going to speed up this process. Bear in mind that you don't want to tighten or over tighten your screw, because it can damage the threading of the hard drive. So you're going to give it a little tighten, not too tight, but you want to tighten it enough so that the hard drive doesn't vibrate too much inside the system. Alright, ensure that the wires are tucked in properly and the hard drive is secured properly. Now we're going to put on the cover, and please to gently put on the cover. As you can see, I have a little difficulty there. All we have to do is to line it up and everything will set in order. So we're going to put in our 4 screws back. And again, I am working very fast. I have to speed up this process because it actually takes a long time, a good while. Alright, so same process. Don't over tighten your screws. Just tighten them enough so that everything remains firm. Alright, and I'm finished right there. And there's the DVR, and we're finished installing the hard drive. Bottom, ensure that everything is actually secure properly. Alright, so we're going to connect the system to the TV, and we want to see if the hard drive is connected properly. Okay guys, as you can see, the camera system is now powered up and it's working, but we still want to know if the hard drive is actually recording. Every time you put in a new hard drive, you need to reformat it. So we're going to go into configuration, then record, and then we're going to select the hard drive, which is this. As you can see, once the hard drive is underneath here, it's actually acknowledging that there is a hard drive. I think you can also remove this hard drive, but we're going to reformat the hard drive. So we're going to select this, and then it's gonna ask us to this will erase all data on your hard drive. Continue, and we're going to select OK, and we're going to wait until it reformats. It's at 20%. Alright, see, it's finishing up. We're going to wait on that. I don't think it takes that long. And there we're complete the reformatting, and as you can see, it is recording. So always reformat your hard drive. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you all. Have a good evening.